Greetings from VSK Business Consultants, Chennai, your trusted partner in maximizing your property's potential within Chennai's dynamic landscape. We build enduring partnerships based on deep expertise and a profound understanding of your unique needs. At the heart of our firm is Vijay Mauly, a visionary leader whose 41 years of diverse industry experience, including 30 years in real estate and 15 years in construction, are rooted in a relentless pursuit of client satisfaction and property value enhancement. In the vibrant city of Chennai, VSK Business Consultants represents the culmination of Vijay Mauly's unwavering dedication and extensive experience. His professional journey, spanning over 4 decades, is a testament to perseverance and a commitment to excellence. He embarked on a diverse career, each stage contributing to his rich tapestry of expertise. Throughout his journey, a fundamental principle remained constant: a deep-seated understanding of customer requirements. He immersed himself in the intricacies of various business models, mastering strategic decision-making and navigating complex market dynamics, always prioritizing the client's unique aspirations. Vijay Mauly's reputation as a seasoned professional grew, marked by his ability to identify opportunities and solve complex challenges. His diverse industry exposure provided him with a unique perspective, allowing him to anticipate market trends while maintaining a laser focus on the customer. He understood that true success lies in building strong relationships and consistently exceeding expectations, particularly in the realm of property development. 30 years of dedicated experience in the real estate sector have equipped him with unparalleled insights into market dynamics, property valuation, and strategic development. He has navigated the complexities of land acquisition, property development, and real estate investment, building a vast network of connections and a wealth of knowledge that benefits every VSK Business Consultants client. 15 years ago, Vijay Mauly focused his considerable expertise on the construction industry, recognizing its immense potential in Chennai and the pressing need for expert guidance that prioritized client needs. He gained first-hand experience in every facet of construction projects, from initial planning and procurement to project management and final delivery. He mastered regulatory compliance, supply chain management, and quality control, building strong relationships and earning a reputation for integrity and reliability. Why choose VSK Business Consultants? Unmatched expertise, 41 years of diverse experience, 30 in real estate, and 15 in construction, providing strategic insights. Customer-centric approach, tailored services to meet your specific requirements, prioritizing your satisfaction. Property bonus advantage, revitalize vacant land and renew existing buildings, maximizing your investment potential. Comprehensive services, luxury independent houses, apartments, commercial buildings, and renewal services. Integrity and trust, operating with the highest ethical standards, building long-term relationships. Local knowledge and network, in-depth knowledge of the Chennai market and strong stakeholder relationships. Holistic solutions, comprehensive solutions that consider all aspects of your project. Proven track record, a trusted and reliable partner in the industry. Personalized attention, Vijay Mauly's hands-on approach ensures personalized guidance. Government approvals, handling all necessary approvals and permits. VSK Property Bonus, revitalizing your assets. We understand that every property holds potential. We specialize in transforming vacant land into thriving developments and renewing aging buildings into modern, functional spaces. Our construction and renewal services, excellence delivered. We deliver excellence in luxury construction, tailored to your needs. We handle every aspect, ensuring a seamless experience. We revitalize existing buildings into modern, functional spaces that meet your current requirements. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultants. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Consultation and contact information. For any consultation regarding your construction or real estate needs, please contact us at 9840-336-999. Visit www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. VSK Business Consultants was founded on the principles of integrity, expertise, and client satisfaction, particularly in maximizing property value. We are poised to lead the Chennai construction and real estate industry, fulfilling client needs and transforming property visions into reality.